Hello friends! If you are looking for an easy and efficient way to create amazing designs, then you need to know ClickDesigns. As someone who has been using this tool for some time now, I can say with certainty that she is one of the best options of the moment. What I like most about ClickDesigns is the variety of templates available. They have a great selection of professional and customizable designs, which means I can always find something that fits perfectly with what I'm looking for. Also, the interface is easy to use and I can customize my designs quickly. Another advantage of ClickDesigns is quality assurance. They offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, which means you can try the tool without worrying about losing your money if it doesn't work for you. This demonstrates the confidence the team has in their tool. Official website link in the video description. I also want to highlight ClickDesigns' excellent customer support. They are incredibly helpful and always available to help with any questions or problems. I have had to contact them a few times and they have always been quick and efficient in solving my problems. One of the things I really appreciate about ClickDesigns is the price. It is quite affordable, and you can choose from several different plans according to your needs. And I really think the price is fair considering everything the tool offers. In summary, I strongly recommend ClickDesigns to anyone looking for an easy-to-use and efficient design tool. With the variety of models, ease of use, quality assurance, exceptional customer support and affordable price. Official website link in the video description.